Oh my God, how delicious.
These garlic butter potatoes are absolutely genius. Golden, crispy, and full of amazing flavor. They're so easy to make and everyone loves them, both adults and kids.
I'm using 700 grams of new potatoes, but any small potatoes will work. They're tender and soft, so I'm not peeling the skins, just giving them a good rinse. Now cut each one in half. Place the potatoes into a glass bowl, drain the water, cover with plastic wrap and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes, depending on the size. While they're cooking, let's prepare the flavorful coating. Finely grate 100 grams of Parmesan cheese into a deep bowl. I love garlic, so I'm adding 3 cloves, pressed through a garlic press. Add the garlic to the cheese. Now season with 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs and half a teaspoon of paprika.
Subscribe to the channel and like it.
Pour in 4 tablespoons 60 milliliters of olive oil and mix well. The aroma is already amazing. Remove the plastic wrap, add salt to taste, and toss them in the garlic cheese mixture.
I want to thank you for supporting my channel.
You inspire me to share new and delicious recipes. As you mix, the kitchen fills with the rich smell of garlic and cheese. So appetizing. Grease a baking dish with 1 tablespoon of oil and arrange the potatoes cut side down. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes until golden. While they're baking, chop some fresh parsley and melt 50 grams of butter. The potatoes are done. Look how golden and crispy they are. A fork slides in effortlessly. Drizzle with the melted butter and sprinkle with fresh herbs. So beautiful, fragrant, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe and like. It really helps my channel grow. Tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. I'd love to know. Until next time, have a wonderful meal. Bye!